More intense arguments at the trial of a Hamilton YouTuber accused of sexually assaulting a former McMaster student on video. Lawyers were delivering closing arguments today at the John Sopinka Courthouse, and that's where we find Eric Vieno with more on this. Good evening, Eric.
Hi, Matt. Well, the lawyer for 29-year-old Jack Densmore argues that everything was consensual and points at inconsistencies in the complainant's story. However, the Crown is arguing that Densmore did not take the proper steps to confirm consent.
Densmore left court today with a smile. This morning, his lawyer stated, "Densmore comes to you as an innocent man today, and after today, we ask you to return him to that state." The YouTuber, known for posting videos with university students who appear to be intoxicated on his channel, which has hundreds of thousands of followers, is accused of sexually assaulting a former McMaster University student. She testified earlier saying she matched with Densmore on Tinder and that she knew who he was. After some failed plans, they eventually ended up watching Netflix on Densmore's bed in his Hamilton mountain home. When they kissed, she said it was consensual. The touching that came after was too, until it wasn't. She testified Densmore forced her to give him oral sex and filmed her doing it without her consent, then forced her into vaginal sex. But Densmore told the court on Tuesday it was all consensual, and when she objected to the video, he deleted it in front of her. He said he was filming a consent video, following advice from musicians, athletes, and other people he had met at the time. Today, Densmore's lawyers argued the complainant's evidence is not reliable, pointing to inconsistencies when it comes to details within her story from when she testified to when she was cross-examined. She's making it up as she goes along. He asked the judge to weigh the minor inconsistencies a little bit greater due to the gravity of the accusation. However, the Crown submitted that she conceded on things she may have been forgetful of, but was firm about what happened to her that day. They argue she expressed discomfort with what was happening on the night of the alleged assault, and that Densmore did not take reasonable steps to confirm consent. The Crown submitted that she did not consent, and Densmore knew that or was reckless. Closing arguments then wrapped up for the day.
A decision is expected to be made on this case on July 26. Meanwhile, Densmore is also facing a second separate sexual assault trial as well.